Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we will be taking a look at some of the top 5 best discount Forex brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. Firstly, a discount broker costs you much less money per trade without the commissions that full-service brokers charge. However, what they do not provide is advice. This does not mean that you don't get any support, as most of these discount brokers do offer great online resources and tools for both education and research. Many of these brokers also offer tutorials and demo accounts to assist you with building your confidence and trading skills. In this list, we will be looking at some of the top 5 best discount Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have FP Markets. FP Markets is an Australian fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, metals, commodities, indices and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and raw Forex accounts, with up to 50 tradable market instruments and commodity options, lower leverage, access to their mobile application, tighter spreads, and more. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FP Markets also provides their very own educational video tutorial library, their own economic calendar, technical and fundamental analysis panels, as well as a few eBooks that cover in-depth trading topics and strategies for you to browse through as you please. Coming in at number 4 on our list, we have Trading 212. Trading 212 is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, stocks, and indices. Their accounts feature demo, CFD, investing, and ISA accounts with lower minimum deposits, no commission charges, a variety of base currency options, and more. Platforms are available on Trading 212's web and mobile applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Trading 212 also provides their very own educational center, which features a variety of helpful educational videos, written educational content, news and analytics panels, as well as an economic calendar for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have FXTM. FXTM is an online, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, precious metals, CFDs, commodities, CFD indices, and cryptocurrencies. Available accounts are featured on Standard, Cent, CFD, Stocks, ECN0, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts with swap-free options, a variety of base currency options, instant executions, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the FXTM Trader application, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. FXTM also provides their very own Learning Center, which covers a video learning library, seminars, webinars, trading articles, and eBooks for you to learn, watch, browse through, and read as you please. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have XM. XM is an online, fully regulated global financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature micro, standard, XM Ultra Low, and shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, a variety of tradable base currency options, and more. XM also offers their very own educational center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And coming in at number 1 on our list of the top 5 best discount Forex brokers, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and for all your mobile trading activities, Avatrade options and Go applications, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education. Avatrade have also won multiple awards such as the Best Forex Broker, the Best Trading Experience, the Best Bitcoin and CFD Broker, the Best Affiliate Program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online, fully regulated financial broker. And those are some of the top 5 best discount Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.